Have you ever taken that first crunchy bite of KFC chicken and wondered how it can taste exactly the same in New York, Dubai, or Tokyo? Most people believe it's just about the secret 11 herbs and spices. But at Food Process Insight, we go beyond the recipe. After months of research and rare access inside one of KFC's most advanced production facilities, I discovered what really happens behind those red and white walls. A world where robotic arms handle raw chicken, AI monitors every fryer's oil chemistry, and data systems log the flavor profile of every batch. This is not fast food, it's precision engineering. Inside these stainless steel corridors, timing is everything. Even a 2-second delay in coating or pressure frying can change the crunch, color, and aroma you taste at your local store. Today, on Food Process Insight, we're stepping into that world, the place where flavor meets machinery. From farm to fryer, from marination labs to conveyor fryers, I'll show you how KFC really makes its iconic chicken, and the innovations that keep every bite identical around the globe. Welcome to Food Process Insight, where we uncover the science behind your favorite foods. When you step into a KFC production complex for the first time, the sheer scale is staggering. We're talking about facilities capable of processing up to 2 million chicken pieces every single day. Each one monitored, timed, and logged with precision. Unlike small-scale kitchens, these aren't ordinary food plants. They're temperature-controlled ecosystems spanning several football fields, where every zone is tuned for a different stage of production. From the moment a truckload of chilled chicken arrives, it enters what's known as the cold corridor, a climate-sealed pathway that ensures zero temperature fluctuation. Here, workers in insulated suits and robots in stainless cages work side by side, trimming, sorting, and weighing each cut to the gram. What's fascinating is how automation doesn't replace people. It augments them. Human eyes still handle the most delicate steps, but machines keep the rhythm consistent. Every wing, thigh, and drumstick is tagged, scanned, and mapped into a digital tracking grid that follows it through marination, coating, and frying. Inside these halls, you can actually hear the rhythm, the hiss of fryers, the hum of conveyors, the low whir of robotic mixers. This is where food science meets production engineering, a symphony designed to produce the exact same crunch, color, and flavor across more than 25,000 KFC outlets worldwide. Before the first batch of chicken even reaches the coating line, everything begins at the source. KFC doesn't buy random poultry from open markets. It works with contracted farms that raise birds under controlled feed, humidity, and growth cycles designed specifically for the brand's texture profile. Each flock is tracked by micro-batch codes long before it ever leaves the barn. When the trucks pull into the plant, they don't unload into open docks. They connect to sealed, chilled tunnels, the start of a farm-to-factory cold chain that never breaks. From here, advanced scanners check surface temperature, weight, and even the color gradient of the skin to ensure every bird meets KFC's uniform standards. Inside the preparation hall, workers in full sterile gear perform the first trim. Bones are separated with high-pressure water jets, not blades, to reduce friction burns and maintain muscle integrity. Then comes the crucial stage that most viewers never see: marination under vacuum tumblers. Within these sealed drums, the 11 herbs and spices blend is mixed with buttermilk and a precise salt-to-protein ratio. Negative pressure pulls the seasoning deep into the fibers, something ordinary soaking could never achieve. Each batch is tagged, timed, and chilled for resting. The aroma that escapes when those drums open is unmistakable: peppery, herbal, and faintly sweet. By the time the chicken leaves this zone, it's not just raw meat anymore. It's pre-seasoned, data-logged product, perfectly prepped for the next phase. The legendary breading line where KFC's golden crust is born. This is where the magic begins. The breading line, the beating heart of every KFC factory. Most people think it's just flour and spice. But what happens here is a carefully engineered choreography of chemistry, timing, and texture. When the marinated chicken arrives, it's placed into temperature-controlled trays. Overhead dispensers release measured bursts of seasoned flour, each batch containing a closely guarded blend of 11 herbs and spices, verified by automated scanners that check density, moisture, and granule size down to the micron. The system ensures the flour's consistency is identical whether you're in Kentucky, Seoul, or Mumbai. Next comes the iconic double dip process, the one that defines KFC's crispy identity. Each piece is dipped into liquid batter, then back into the flour bed again. A gentle airflow system removes excess coating without disturbing the texture, creating those distinct, flaky layers that expand during frying. What most people don't realize is that the breading room is one of the strictest zones in the plant. Humidity, temperature, and air pressure are tightly controlled. Even a 2% rise in air moisture can turn the coating heavy instead of crisp. Finally, the coated chicken moves down a conveyor into staging racks, where it rests just long enough for the flour to bind to the skin, about 7 minutes. This short pause is vital. It lets the batter absorb surface moisture and ensures that when the pieces hit the hot oil, the crust blooms instantly into that signature crunch. From here, the chicken is ready for its most critical journey, into KFC's high-pressure fryers. The air in the next hall feels heavier, warm, aromatic, and humming with energy. This is where raw precision turns into that unmistakable KFC aroma. Each piece of breaded chicken is loaded into industrial pressure fryers, enormous, sealed stainless steel drums engineered to replicate Colonel Sanders' original pressure cooking technique. But instead of kitchen timers and guesswork, these modern fryers use smart sensors to monitor oil temperature, pressure, and moisture release in real time. Inside, the oil stays at around 185 degrees, 365 degrees, under regulated pressure. That combination locks in the juices while forcing steam inward, preventing the meat from drying out. Every batch is rotated, not stirred, ensuring uniform color and texture. Within just 10 minutes, you can watch the transformation. Pale, flour-dusted meat, turning into golden perfection. The fried pieces are then lifted onto draining conveyors, where excess oil is filtered and recycled through a multi-stage purification system. This not only saves resources, but keeps each batch free from flavor contamination. From there, AI-driven vision scanners inspect every piece. They check surface color, crispness patterns, and shape uniformity. Any piece that doesn't match the golden brown benchmark is automatically removed from the line. Once approved, the chicken is cooled to lock-in structure, then packaged in vacuum-sealed trays or flash-frozen cartons for global shipment. By the time it's sealed, labeled, and coded, every single piece carries a digital trace, showing where it came from, when it was cooked, and how it met KFC's global crunch standard. The result? The exact same bite, anywhere in the world. Once the final inspection is done, pallets of golden KFC chicken are loaded into temperature-controlled containers. Each crate carries a unique trace ID that links back to the exact farm, fryer, and batch that produced it. From here, refrigerated trucks move toward regional logistics hubs, where quality teams sample random boxes to retest moisture, texture, and coating integrity. From those hubs, the product travels across continents, sometimes frozen, sometimes chilled, depending on distance. Every step of the route is logged through a digital cold chain system, ensuring that the chicken that leaves a plant in Malaysia, the US, or the UK tastes identical when it reaches a KFC kitchen anywhere in the world. Inside the restaurants, it's finished fresh, refried, seasoned, and served within minutes of order. That familiar aroma and crunch that customers recognize instantly. It begins long before the bucket ever reaches your hands. When I first walked through these factories, I realized this wasn't fast food at all. It was fast precision. Every process, every timer, every machine works toward a single promise: consistency. So next time you open that red and white box, remember, it's more than chicken. It's decades of food science, engineering, and human craftsmanship packed into one bite. This is Food Process Insight, and we just explored how one of the world's most famous recipes is built, piece by perfect piece. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for the next one.